What is poppin', Snake Gang? How are you guys doing? Listen to me. If I hear any of you in the comments say anything about me looking like Post Malone, I'll do it. I swear to God. So as you guys can see, we finally made it to the new apartment. Things are kind of just getting, you know, decorated. I have a bunch of stuff coming for the game room that we're setting up, so that's the only reason I haven't really done an apartment tour yet. I kind of just want to wait till it's all set up perfectly so you guys can really see the nice. I have no idea what I'm even saying half the time, but I just say things, I feel like. I want you guys to see the apartment all set up before I pretty much show you guys the apartment with like boxes and places and stuff like that. But bad news and good news here. So the good news is the office gets good reception, so pretty much the whole video is going to be shot in here. And yes, it is going to be vlog styled like you guys asked, but I have no reception anywhere else for whatever reason, and the Wi-Fi isn't coming yet because of COVID-19, so they have limited staff, and it's been a disaster trying to get Wi-Fi. I'm still sending out signals to everyone. It's been wild, but hopefully Wi-Fi will be here soon. With all that being said, make sure you guys follow my Instagram so you guys can get updates on giveaways, updates on when new videos are coming out with this series or just any videos in general. You'll get to see how I'm kind of living, stuff like that. It's good motivation, so follow my Instagram, it's right here. With all that being said, this week we are going to focus on indices. We are literally gonna trade US 30, DAX, which is German 30. We might look at like UK, we'll see what we end up trading, but I wanna look at indices here. I've been trading indices for a little while, and they can really make or break your account, but if you know what you're doing with them, then you can really grow fast, and I mean so damn fast. So obviously we are at about $408, and I wanna try to get that to $1,000 this week just trading these indices. I wanna try to trade US 30 and German 30 and just go ham. So with that being said, next week, hopefully our account will be nice and big, and then we can start putting bigger lot sizes down on regular Forex pairs. We'll stick with indices as well, mix things up a bit, but I wanna show you guys how fast you can grow your account with indices, and I'm doing all this live for you guys. So make sure you go down below, smash that like button, and show me some love. These type of videos are not easy. I literally have to take the camera with me, and as I get in these trades, show you everything, my reaction, the trades, why I'm taking these trades. It's not easy, it's gonna take a lot of editing, but with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy, and you guys deserve it anyways. I love you guys, Snake Gang. Support has been unreal. We just hit 15,000 subs. It's amazing. You guys are animals, man. I really, really love you. I feel like this motherfucker's just staring at us right now. God damn. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video, and hopefully we could get some trade setups going right now. We'll see what's going on, but I'll see you guys in a little while. Yo, so what's poppin', Snake Gang? I hope you guys are all having a great day. So let's look at the account real quick. Not any trades currently, but I do want to show you guys the actual account and everything, just so you could show. You'll see. We're currently at $408, and yes, this is a live account, and yes, this is the same live account that it always has been. You guys can go verify that in the other videos when I show it's a real account, same numbers, blah blah blah, whatever you want to do. Currently at $408. It's not going to show you anymore, of course, but look at that box. Currently at $408 on the account. Of course, in episode 1 we started at $100, grew it to $408. Like I said, this week we're gonna try to hit 1K, but currently I'm not seeing any setups with the indices, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at the Forex charts. If I don't see anything, then I'll most likely see you guys during the London session tonight, and hopefully we can start to get things popping. But I do not recommend trading US 30 or DAX on a $400 account. I don't recommend it, but if you know what you're doing, that thing could fly. That account could fly up. So I'll see you guys in the London session, unless of course something comes up before that. I will see you guys tonight. Boop. Yo, so what's popping, guys? I just got in a sale right here on DAX, German 30, if you guys were wondering. Looking at this, we have a very, very strong resistance built up right here. Very strong, and then also Fibonacci zone on a higher time frame. No stop loss on this, but I am going to monitor it very strongly the whole time. We're in a 0.02, very risky. I don't recommend doing this, but you know, if you know what you're doing, then you can make some really good money with indices. So we'll see what happens here. I'm gonna end up taking my profit down in this area, but we'll see what happens. Okay, keep you guys up to date. You guys asked for live trading. Here it is. Like I said, this is my real account as always. We're in this trade, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so looking at it from the 15, I'm going to go ahead and put a stop loss just up here, just in case it shows major rejections. We're going to go ahead and get out, but our take profit is significantly lower. So if this does have a lot of downside power, which I really think it will, take profit will get smashed. So we'll go ahead and wait on this and see what happens. Alright guys, so really quick I want to show you something. Let's see if I can get this screen to focus. Okay, so if we monitor it on the 5 minute, you can see price actually hold on, let me see. Price broke below this support line. So this is the support line right here. It's just so hard to do with the camera. Price broke below that support line, and not only that, it's now testing it from the bottom and rejecting. So it rejected that support line, acting as resistance at this point, and it broke below. So this could easily drop like down to this zone that I have marked up. Easy. We'll see what happens here, but you know, as always, it's normal to lose. So if it does come up and spike up and we get stopped out, it happens. But this setup right here, it's pretty nice. So you know, I want to show you guys what I'm seeing too, so you guys can learn as well. You guys always love when I show you what I'm seeing, and as you can see, price is continuing to the downside, putting us at $15. Let's see what happens, guys. Alright guys, so price has just plummeted. I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit here at about $100. Oh shit. Depending if it changes, boom, profit has been taken, putting us at $503 with 55 cents. And yes, this is still a lot. Sorry guys. This is still a live account. I'm going to show you guys that all video so you don't think I'm playing. But boom, baby. Take profit was just about to get smashed. I'm not risking it with that type of money on the line. Let's go. So as you guys can see, when it comes to the whole reactions, emotions thing, I keep it very... It's kind of blurry. I stay very calm. There's no reason to get nervous when trading. You know what you're going to lose. Like I said, it was going to be a $25 loss or a $100 gain. It was 1 to 4. So now guess what? Now we're at $500 on the account. We just grew $100 in one trade. Now we can go out there and we can take 4 more trades and lose all 4 of them and be back at $400. So now guess what? My emotions are already gone, but now my emotions are really out of the door because now I got, you know, 4 trades now that I can go out and, you know, and I'm not gonna risk everything. I'm gonna play it correctly, but it is what it is, guys. Alright guys, so I ended up getting in this trade a couple minutes ago. I was outside, so I didn't really get to record the actual entry and everything. But really quick, I'm going to show you these screenshots I have. As you guys can see, we pretty much have this RSI divergence. And yeah, I know I usually use OBV, but RSI has been kind of more deadly for me lately. So I might be kind of switching it to RSI. If you guys are wondering, I kind of like the RSI. But as you can see, we have this RSI divergence on a very small time frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to get in for a sell. I'm not going to have a stop loss on this because I'm going to watch it very, very closely. And I probably should be watching it right now. But we're going to watch it very, very closely and make sure it doesn't take off on us. Because if it ends up closing above where we are, pretty much where the market is now, then I'm going to get out. Because that kind of means that price is still bullish on this trend. If not, the RSI is kind of showing me with this divergence that price is kind of chilling. It's kind of like slowing down. It might be losing some steam. You know what I'm saying? So, as you can see, price has made a higher high on the regular, or how do I say this? Price has made a higher high on price action, which is the bars. If you want to say it that way, make it easy for you guys. But on the RSI, we have a lower highs being made. This is a sign of reversal in the market, and this is a sign that a trend is pretty much losing steam. Okay, so this is all I'm using on this M5. Very simple. If we look at the daily, then you can kind of see that we're at a resistance as well. Of course, you don't want to just use divergence by itself, but a couple confirmations is good. Okay, so I'm going to check on this pair. I might end up closing this, so we'll go ahead and take a look. Okay, so we're currently up $77 on this pair. As you guys can see, I'll zoom in real quick, and obviously real account, but we are going to close this. I'm going to take my $68 profit and live account, of course. Okay guys, so I really quick just want to kind of bring you in, show you what I saw in that very first German 30 trade that we took, also known as DAX. Like I said, when you trade DAX and US 30, you have to be very careful. So I'm actually looking at the 5-minute, 15-minute charts, looking for setups because I don't want to risk too much. I don't want to use, you know, $100 stop loss. I have to keep it very tight, okay? So I knew what I was risking on this trade. I knew that this would probably be like a $30 loss if it ended up going the wrong way. So here's what I pretty much saw. Price was kind of going up, down, just kind of a little bit of sideways movement, right? It came up, broke above, then came back down, chilling. Not much here, not much to look at here. But if we draw the support line from here to here, okay, what do we see, right? Obviously, let me see if I can find the arrow. Right here, we see price is broken below, right? Price is broken below this support. And on this wick right here, we have a retest of this support line, okay? It's now resistance. That's a retest of that resistance line. So what happens after we got in, or we saw that retest? That's where we get in for our sell, okay? So, boom, price is doing whatever it has to do, and this is where we saw that major droppage. Bam, to the downside. Take profit was smashed, or we had our take profit set with this little zone. Didn't even end up getting smashed, but we closed because we were so close to it. We got out quick. But it's very simple, guys. All I saw was a break and a retest of a former support, which is now resistance. And why is the lighting all white like that? Oh my God. So that's pretty much all that I saw. It's very simple, very simple stuff, guys. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be hard to trade, okay? So that's what I saw. We're gonna go ahead and look for some more setups. Hopefully we can find something else. I know we're up 41% on the account already, but we will go ahead and look for some more setups. So I just got in one more trade. This is gonna be the last trade of the week. This is an SPX trade. We're risking what, maybe 6% of the account, so nothing crazy here. Currently in the trade, down $9. So yeah, this is still my live account. Pretty much just gonna show you what I see. So this is a zone that I had marked up a long time ago. So this is a zone that's now been broken, and it looks like it's retesting that zone. Not only that, we're already under a support. So if price breaks above this support, then I will get out. Price shouldn't break above the support. It should continue to plummet. But if not, of course, we're gonna have our stop set just about, well, maybe just about there. We'll see. So pretty much just have our stop set there, and then our take profit will probably be down in this area. So we'll see what happens. You know, looking forward to seeing this trade, see how it takes place. If everything goes good, we'll go 3 for 3 this week with hopefully major gains. Let's go ahead and watch it. So just want to check in with you guys real quick. Take profit and stop loss have been set. We're currently up 35 bucks on the account. Okay, so let's zoom this out. Oh, I can't even see take profits. A little lower than the stop loss, but yes, again, live account. Yes, we're up $23 now. So let's go ahead and see how it reacts to this little support area, and you know, see how this trade unfolds. Okay guys, so I haven't actually looked at my chart, but it looks like prices kind of came down pretty hard. As you can see, take profit almost smashed. So we are gonna close here just because it's Friday and we don't want to risk too much. So boom, live account. Okay, it's so hard to touch the buttons. We are now at 638. Boom, $68 gain on SPX. Just beautiful way to end the week. Wow. Woo! All right, guys. So really quick, let's go over this trade that I just took. So we tried to just back to back it really. So let's go ahead and take a look at this trade. I'm going to show you guys exactly why I took this trade, what I saw, and pretty much go from there. So you know what to do. This video is sponsored. No, I'm just playing. I don't get no sponsors. So, what exactly did I see with SPX? Okay, this is a zone right here that I've already had marked up. As you can see, and I'll point it out real quick. Okay, prices respected this zone once, twice, 3 times, broke above, retested this zone, okay, now broke below. So I'm looking at the hourly and I see that prices closed below this zone. So once price closed below the zone, to me, I already know price is going to continue to the downside. It broke that major zone and now it's going to continue to drop probably, and I can't hold it for this long because my account size, but probably down to this area, okay? That's probably where price is going to end up going. If not this area, then I truly believe price will end up going to this area, okay? That's where I think overall the price is gonna go. But I already have that confirmation that price is breaking below that zone and it's gonna continue to the downside. So what does that mean, okay? Let's go to our 5-minute chart and let's see if we can find a beautiful entry, okay? So as you can see, price is broken below. But we're not just gonna enter on that little break, we're gonna wait for a perfect entry. So watch this, okay? See if I can spread this out more for you guys. There you go. Okay, and this is the exact trade I took. Check this out. Okay, we're on the 5-minute, so yes, this works on the 5-minute. Take our Fibonacci, okay? Where do we draw our Fibonacci? We don't draw it from here. We draw it from right here because this is where that major push continues or kind of happens, okay? Because you see this green candlestick, price kind of exhausted for a minute, came up. Now we have the main push down. So I'll draw my Fibonacci from here. It's pretty much this area, okay? We'll draw our Fibonacci from there to this area because this is where price comes back for a retest, okay? And check this out. Price comes to my zone, my 618 and my 0.50 zone. Those are two major reversal areas. So as you can see, now I have perfect confirmation because I already know price broke below this zone and now it's retested on a smaller time frame, my Fibonacci zone. So I got in here, stop loss could be like that, take profit just like that. It's that simple, guys. Okay, take profit realistically should be way down there, like I said, but I'm going with a smaller account. I gotta kind of keep things small and scout my way up because this is kind of how I do it. This is why I have so much fun trading. Very simple setup, guys. Very, very, very simple setup. You guys just saw it live. I know you guys have been asking for live trades, so there's 3 right there, live with my reaction. This is kind of how I trade. This is just me. I'm not really, I'm not scared. I'm just trading to trade. And also another thing is with the stop loss, I could have it up in this area just because of the simple fact that this could act as a resistance right here, this area. So boom, price could come up here and reject. So we could use that as a pretty much a little safety net before price comes down. But we never really had any down time at all. Like I was never negative really, other than $9 when I first opened it, and then boom. Smack straight down. So beautiful setup, beautiful. So with all that pretty much being shown, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. We pretty much have grown the account about 60% this week, which is amazing because we only took 3 trades. Very, very, very slow week. Not a lot of setups emerged, but those 3 setups we took, they were very high profitable setups. And one thing I always like to tell my VIP members or just anyone in general is don't trade just to trade and don't just put in a bunch of trades because you're bored. Only take trades that are very profitable or very high chances of being profitable, and only trades that find the setups that you love. Do not take trades because you're bored. That is the biggest thing I can tell you. We only took 3 trades this week, but I'm okay with that because those 3 trades that we did take were beautiful setups that I love. They all did exactly what I knew they were gonna do, and they made big money. Okay, instead of me just saying, I want to trade right now. What should I look for? I got to trade right now. I need some more money. No, I wait for the market to come to me. And that's why I'm successful, because I wait for the market to come to me. A lot of people are impatient, and that's where you're not going to succeed. Okay, take these videos and learn from them, and let me teach you stuff. If you want to succeed, be patient with the markets. Let the markets come to you. Good risk reward management is very important. And always have a Diet 7-Up on deck. That shit helps tremendously. Oh shit. That shit went up my nostrils. But with all that being said, I really do hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want to see a part 3, smash that like button. At 1,500 likes, 1,500 likes, I would do another one. So smash that like button right now if you want to see a part 3, I believe we'd be going on to now. Also, next week I plan on trading FOREX. I plan on trading index. I plan on trading everything, and hopefully we can get a lot of profitable setups so I can show you guys all these different markups and really help you guys out. If you guys are learning something from this, make sure you guys go down below, let me know. I love to see the support. I love to see that you guys are getting a lot of knowledge out of this. And other than that, follow my Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Woo!